In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Smartsheet account. To get started, sign into your Smartsheet account as you normally would. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one profile or workspace. Once you're in, take a moment to review anything important in your account, because deleting an account is usually a permanent action and may affect access to sheets, reports, shared items, and billing details. After you've logged in, go to your account settings. This is typically where Smartsheet keeps your personal account preferences and administrative options. Depending on the type of account you have, some settings may appear under your profile menu or within a dedicated admin area. If you don't immediately see the exact option you need, don't worry. Just look through the settings sections carefully. Next, open the area related to your plan, billing, or account management. This is an important step because account closure options are often tied to your subscription status. If you're using a paid plan, Smartsheet may require you to manage your subscription before allowing the account to be deleted. Take your time here and read the labels clearly so you don't accidentally change the wrong setting. If required, cancel any subscription connected to the account. In many platforms, deleting the account and canceling billing are handled separately. So it's a good idea to confirm that there are no remaining active charges before you move forward. If your account is part of a team or business plan, you may need administrator permissions to make these changes. Once that's done, look for the option to delete, close, or deactivate the account. The wording can vary, but it's usually placed somewhere in the account management or security related sections. When you find it, select that option and review any warnings shown on the screen. These messages are there to explain what data access you may lose and whether the action can be reversed. Now carefully confirm the deletion request. This is the point where you should slow down and double check that you're ready to proceed. If the platform asks you to verify your decision, follow the prompts exactly as shown. Finally, check your email for any last confirmation steps. Some services require you to click a confirmation link or approve the request through a follow-up message before the account is fully removed. Be sure to check your inbox and, if needed, your spam or junk folder as well. And that's how to delete your Smartsheet account safely and completely.